Hello children, today we'll open Pen for Android app. Now this is a layout of Pen for Android. From here you have to click on advancement. From this dialog box I'm selecting the horizontal layout. You can select the vertical one also. I'm selecting the second horizontal layout. Now as you can see, this is your horizontal layout. Downside is your horizontal bar and the right side is your vertical bar, and all the toolboxes are on horizontal bar. Today we are going to make one butterfly using oval tool, pencil tool, line tool, and we'll use eraser tool also. So first I'm selecting oval tool. And for eyes also I'm selecting oval. You can select circle also. Now I'll select eraser tool to erase inside lines. I think it's perfect. Now I'm selecting again oval tool to make eyes and smile. Now I will select pencil tool and I will make heart. You can make any shape. Now I am selecting line tool, and you can make pattern using line tool. Now I am selecting oval tool again to make patterns. Fine, now my butterfly is ready. Now I will fill color using color bucket tool. I'm selecting yellow color first. Now color bucket. I'm erasing this from the undo option on vertical bar. First option is your undo. Undo means to erase last action. I want to fill yellow color here and here. This side I want red color. Green color I want, and here I will fill yellow color, red color now. So here you can see my butterfly is ready. From the third option, from the save vertical layout, from the third option you can save this, and you can find this in your phone gallery, and from there you can save this as a wallpaper also. So now you please try at home with the help of pencil tool, oval tool, and line tool, and today I use eraser tool also. So please try at home and be safe and healthy. Thank you so much children. Bye bye.